Hello, everyone. It's Reverend Evelyn Foreman. I've got a question for you. What are you attracting into your life right now? Is it a reflection of your highest self, or is it your shadow pulling you in the wrong kind of energy? Our shadow selves, those hidden fears and doubts, can often sabotage our best intentions. But when we lift to higher consciousness, we begin to attract experiences, people, and opportunities that truly resonate with our soul's purpose. I'll teach you how to use the triggering moments in your life as access points to rewire your brain, to unblock stuck energy, and to create new habits that lead to quantum leaps in personal growth. It's time. It's time to stop letting our shadow dictate our life and start attracting from a place of love, abundance, and light. Ready to make that shift? Sign up on my waiting list right now because it's about to get birthed at EvelynForeman.Link/awake. And let's embark on this journey together.